Guy Bourdin photographed fashion for 30 years, and in 30 years he never once made it look safe. Before I show you why that matters, subscribe and hit the bell, because what Bourdin understood about the human body, about desire, about the lies we call beauty, that understanding will change how you look at every commercial image you have ever believed. The fashion industry exists to make you want things, and to make you want things, it must make you feel safe, comfortable, aspirational. Guy Bourdin refused. So the question I want to ask you today is this. Why did the most disturbing photographer in fashion history also produce its most honest images? First point. Every other fashion photographer sold you an object. Bourdin sold you a feeling you were not supposed to have. Look at this photograph. A pair of shoes, a shadow, the suggestion of something that ended badly. He photographed for Charles Jordan for 15 years. Shoes. That was the brief. And he turned the brief into theater, dark, erotic, violent theater where the product was almost irrelevant. The industry kept hiring him because the images sold. They never understood why. Second point. Bourdin almost never showed a complete body. Legs without faces, hands without arms, a mouth, a heel, a shadow where a person should be. This was not style. This was philosophy. The fragment forces your imagination to complete the image, and what your imagination adds, that is yours. That is what you carry inside. Bourdin did not photograph bodies. He photographed what bodies do the people looking at them. Third point. Bourdin understood something that the fashion industry spent decades pretending was not true. Desire and death live in the same place in the human mind. His images are erotic and unsettling simultaneously. You cannot separate the two. He would not let you. The industry called it disturbing. Psychologists call it accurate. Fourth point. Bourdin was the most honest photographer fashion ever hired, and fashion never forgave him for it. Every other photographer told you, if you buy this, you will be desired. Bourdin told you, you already want, you already fear, you already know what you are hiding. The product was irrelevant. You were the subject. And that is why his work is still disturbing, because it is still true. Fifth point. Every photographer who came after Bourdin borrowed from him, and most of them diluted what they took. La Chapelle took the color and left out the danger. Others took the eroticism and left out the intelligence. Bourdin worked because all the elements were present at once. Remove one and you have decoration. He knew the difference. It is the same difference I think about every time I photograph. Back to the beginning. Guy Bourdin photographed fashion for 30 years and never once made it look safe. Now, you know why that was not a flaw. It was the only honest choice available to him. The disturbing image is not the problem. The disturbing image is the mirror. And some people, as always, hate mirrors. Tell me in the comments which Bourdin image has stayed with you and why do you think it stayed? Subscribe if you want more images that do not ask for your permission.